price doesn't change. Let's try it again. So okay. Now it's working now. Price doesn't change. Let's try it again. Wait. So that battery is good. I just had to flip it over. So if you want to change your prices, you just use the door. Use the directions. If you want to keep the prices and it keeps what change every time you turn off the machine, you gotta change this part right here, this battery. Just look for it. Should be in the manual. Follow for more vending tips.